Well, as you can see, folks, we've got a little bit of rot situation going on. We just took off now this next seal because what they did in the past, I wish that you could see it so much better like we can. We found out that they built the dam up a little bit higher than what was originally here. When they built the dam up, that allowed a lot of sand, sediment, water, everything built up against this building, because originally this building would have been, give or take, had a crawl space of 2 to 4 foot all the way in the back. Well, once you build up the dirt and wood contact, especially even if it's some of the best pine, the best hickory, the best oak, the best cedar, the best cypress, it don't matter what it is, wood rots. Even if you've got pressure treated stuff, you still run that risk of rot. Even if you've got creosote stuff, as good as that stuff is, things can still rot. So when you're looking at what happened here, we did have up here this roof system, a limb must have hit the roof at one time. When that limb hit, it produced a hole and it wasn't fixed for a very long time. That let water run down mainly this side here and rotted this whole entire 10 by 10 out. Take a look. Here's the tenon that we just cut out that went into that mortise. What we're going to do now is we're going to come up the ledge here, maybe up to this point, and cut it all the way off with a chainsaw to be able to expose better material. We will then replace this beam all the way down to here. We've got a lot of work to do right here too. Well, we just got finished up cutting through this post with a chainsaw. We just wanted to show you again about what rot does. Once again, water's been flowing off the top of the dam. If they raised it, it's just been getting in here and soaking in this post. And not only is it water damage, but the termites enjoy wet wood. Look how rotten this is right here. As you can see, not only is it water damage, but 100% all of this is nothing but termites. And it's because it's just allowed the moisture to wick back up into this timber. And I think you can see this, see the root system growing from the bottom, letting you know that we've had nothing but soil contact on this 150-year-old 10 by 10 pine post. But here's the neat thing that I want y'all to see while we uncover. Look at that beautiful tendon right here. You can see the heart of the actual timber now that you get down into it. When they cut these timbers, that's the beauty of the old-time sawmill, guys. When they cut them, they literally cut the heart out, so that's where all that strength was, and that's what they used on these big corner posts and all these big beams to hold this building up. But this, once again, just shows you what having ground contact with lumber does. Still excellent lumber, but just over time, this will happen when you have water coming in, soaking up, and you have termite damage.